So we had a problem with the engine on my Golf GTI Mark 5. The previous owner had spark plugs supplied that were the wrong size, they were too long, and the thread had wrecked the spark plug thread on the head, so that needed to come out. Decided that while it was out, might as well do a refurb of the engine, as it had done 170,000 miles. So we currently have no engine in the car while it's being done. While it was off the road being refurbed, also decided remove the rear subframe, to remove the bushes and get that all sorted at the same time. And you can see on one side that's pretty clean. Let's just have a look around the other side, and we've got some horrors here with rust coming when the sill covers have been removed. So you can see, although there's a few spots of rust underneath the wheel arches, once you actually look at the sills themselves, that's pretty bad rust there that's going to all need to be cut out and a new panel welded back in. So what was a job to sort out the engine has actually become a much bigger job, having taken that off, but it's something that needed doing, and by fixing it now, hopefully it will be sorted before it gets a lot worse.